Kapatid pa tumikim din na madali tumakbo sa halik niya. Mag-isa nung hinagilap pa ang kaya, paipadaman ng parama at mamamantra. Nakalinyang chakra, paangat ang ginawa, paitang palayo sa mapa. Dalawa ka na nasa isipan na tama sa lumagan na papangalan, pero di mo ko kilala. Sumabay yung makimasa panadero, di naman ako sa kada kaibigan na kasama sumagada.
Sobrang natural, walang halong chemical.
Kita po ba yung live video?
Wait, teka muna, teka lang.
Ano yan?
Kahit na medyo natagal na,
Okay lang.
gusto ko lamang ipaalam na ang awiting ito ay para na
Ano yan?
sa ilang babaeng nilalang. Kung hindi ko kayang ibigay ang mga gusto mo, tutuparin mo pa kaya ang mga pangako mo. Kung hindi ko kayang ibigay ang mga gusto mo, tutuparin mo kaya, tutuparin mo kaya. Lumang lontang polo talo, laging tambay sa may kanto. Walang mahanap na trabaho kung ako ang lahat ng ito. Ano? Tatanggapin mo ba? Sige nga, halika. Meron bang nakita? Kahit na mali pa. Mamahalin mo ba? Ano ang balita? Medyo walang kita. Kulang sa salida. Sige nga, halika. Meron bang nakita? Kahit na mali pa. Mamahalin mo ba? Ano ang balita? Medyo walang kita. Kulang sa salida. Mamahalin mo ba? Bagong bahay, lote, kotse, tumutoma, poste, poste, mga diamante, sa dahire, kung walang lahat ng ito. Tatanggapin mo ba ako? Kung hindi kita masasakay sa auto, naglalakad ng ulululang sa kabayo. Pag ang ulam natin ay palaging toyo, ventilador na hindi pwedeng itodo. Kung hindi kita masasakay sa auto, maglalakad ng ulululang sa kabayo. Pag ang ulam natin ay palaging toyo, ventilador na hindi pwedeng itodo. May katanungan lang na kung ganun. Mamahalin mo pa rin ba ako kahit di na ako bituin? Kapag hindi ko na rin mabigay lahat ng hinihingi mo, bahay na nito pa rin na baka sabay ka na lamang wala ka na rin. Baka sa kung natanang magaling, sa bandang uli, baliwalain mo rin. Pag lahat ng mga gusto mo, di ko na kayang gawin. Kaya sagutin mo ako tapatin, kung sasalugin mo pa rin. Kung wala ako naman na kailangan mo, paano mo mamahalin? Paano kung hindi ka kayang itira sa kondo? Walang magandang bahay at wala rin auto. Ubus na at kapos sa pondo. Paano natin kung ganito? Ka naman ay hindi na mapansin ang aking alaga din na makita. Kasabi naman ang pagmamahal mo na parang natulog naman kita. Nakakapanghina kasi yung pagkamoy tila. Pagkasama na kandila na walang na rin ang bisa. Ang nararamdaman kasi hindi na kumikita. Paano kung hindi ka kung hindi ko kayang ibigay ang mga rasot mo, tutuparin mo pa kaya ang mga pangako mo. Kung hindi ko kayang tuparin ang mga gusto mo, tutuparin mo kaya, tutuparin mo kaya. Ayan kasi ano, hanapin kung sinong totoo, kung sinong gustong maging tama. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Sino? Ikaw yun, sige lang.
Sorry.
Yun. Start of our first game. Once again, our first game, battling for third. Big CS Boys versus Spin Asia Warriors. And ulit, bago magsimula ang ating grrrr.
Sa highlight na kuya. Sa highlight. At sakit. Nakagim na. Oh. Sino yung
The Asia Warriors takes the first ball possession. Kanyamo pass to SGA to Villarreal. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero 2 points. First points from Big CS Boys. Vidal passes to Isidro. Isidro for the trifecta, no good. Got great hustle by Kanyamo, but Don got the ball. Passes to Villarreal. Villarreal will attacks. Villarreal to Verdadero again. Verdadero got fouled.
foul?
Foul number 12, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Verdadero. First free throw is good for Verdadero. Both free throws are good for Verdadero.
Points lang. Hindi. 4 points na sila.
Kasabar. Kasabar ako Kasabar. Kasabar, long three. No good. Don with the rebound. Pass to Villarreal again. Villarreal. 2. Bautista. Oh my goodness. Queen Asia ball. Kasabar, bringing down the ball. Kasabar to Isidro. Isidro to Vidal. Vidal, jumper. Yes, 2 points for Vidal. Villarreal, bring down the ball. Passes to Don. Don, surveying the lead. Don to Cruz. Cruz, 3-pointer. No good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal to Don. Tip pass. Vidal get the ball. Vidal to Kanyama to Asuelo. Asuelo to Kasapar. Kasapar, jumper. No good. Asuelo with the rebound. Asuelo. Boarding, no good. Bautista with the rebound. Pass to Villarreal. 3v2 situation. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero got fouled. Namatay yung lamok. Foul number 7, first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Verdadero. First free throw no good for Verdadero. Second free throw is good for Verdadero. Official score 5-2. 3-point lead for BCS Boys. Kasabar to Kanyamo. Kanyamo, sidestep jumper, no good. Villarreal with the rebound. 4v2 situation. Villarreal, oops, steal by Kasabar. Kasabar to Isidro. Isidro, back to Kasabar. Kasabar, 3-pointer. No good, Asuelo with the rebound. Asuelo to Vidal. Uh-oh, too much force in the pass. Verdadero to Cruz, to Villarreal. Villarreal to Cruz. Cruz, easy 2 points. Vidal bring down the ball, passes to Asuelo. Asuelo, floater. No. Bautista to Villarreal. Villarreal to Cruz. Oh, what a pass back to Villarreal. Villarreal, 2 points. With a foul. Foul number 5, first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus shots for Villarreal. One shot is good for Villarreal. Timeout. Pinasia Warriors. Great run by BCS Boys. Our official score 10-2. 8-point lead for BCS Boys. Time remaining 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Sabi ko na nga, nandito ko. Hindi, ikaw. Nung pagkapunta ko dito.
Ese Marco Asuelo. Asuelo Vidal. Vidal to Isidro. Isidro for the trifecta. Yes. Isidro to Villarreal. Survey the lead. Passes to Don. Don. Two-pointer. Don. Yes. Ding-ding.
Nag-grade na.
Kanyamo dribbling. Oh, get it back. Kanyamo. To Kasamar again. Jumper. Bang bang. Has an answer for that two-pointer by Don. Cruz. To Villarreal. Villarreal fakes. Villarreal kick out to Don. Don fakes to Bautista. Bautista on the paint. Bautista now good. Bautista again. Bautista on the paint. Uh-oh. He got fouled. Foul number 9, first personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bautista to Villarreal. Villarreal dribbling the defender Vidal. 3 seconds violation. Both teams ready for change 5. Kanyamo dribbling. Kanyamo tip pass. Kanyamo get the ball again. Oh, Kanyamo 2 points. Sorry, wala na po palang change 5. Cruz to Villarreal. Villarreal to Bautista. Bautista got fouled. Foul number 8, first personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Bautista. Both teams, pakiayos po ng inyong tack-in. Thank you so much. Proper tack-in po tayo. Lahat ng mga accessories, necklace, earrings, patanggal po para dire-diretso lang ang laro. Thank you so much. Second free throw good for Bautista. Pinasia Warriors ball. Vidal. To Kanyamo. Kanyamo. 3-pointer. Kanyamo. Okay. Pinadero with the rebound. Berler to Villarreal. 3v3 situation. Cruz. No good. Vidal with the rebound. Vidal to Asuelo. Asuelo. Oh no. Floater is good. 2 points. Asuelo has some tricks. Villarreal for the trifecta. No good. Asuelo with the rebound. Asuelo to Vidal. Foul. Foul number 68, first personal foul. Kasabar to Vidal. Back to Kasabar. Kasabar dribbling. Kasabar kick out to Isidro. Isidro 3-pointer. No good. Bautista got the ball. Bautista to Villarreal. Villarreal wide open. Lay. Dumps it. 2 points for Villarreal. Top kick, Jonathan. Asuelo, floater again. No good. Bertero with the ball. Bertero to Villarreal. Villarreal. Lay. No good. Cruz get the ball. Cruz to Bertero. Bertero wants the 3-pointer. No good. Bautista get the rebound. Right. Bautista 2 points. Our official score once again 17-11. 6-point lead for Big S Boys.
Sakit pa rin na pindot.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Kanyamo jumper. Yes, 2 points for Kanyamo. Dito sa nag-iisip.
Ay, dito pala yun eh.
Villarreal. 3-pointer, Villarreal. No good. Kanyamo bringing down the ball. Kanyamo to Asuelo. Robbery violation. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero to Cruz to Verdadero again. 14 seconds to shoot. Verdadero attacks. 2 points no good. Kita get the ball. Passes to Kanyamo. Kanyamo to Asuelo. Asuelo! No good. Uh-oh. Kasapar got the ball. Kasapar. 3-pointer. No good. Bautista with the rebound to Villarreal. Villarreal creates. Villarreal. 2 points. Great move by Villarreal. Isidro creates. Isidro to Asuelo. Asuelo floater again. No good. Bautista to Villarreal. Villarreal behind the back. Oh, fancy move, no good. Cruz with the rebound. Cruz, yes. Second chance opportunity, 2 points.
Hindi, paano mo?
Foul number 66. First personal foul. Substitution. Timeout, Big Z. Official score not in the left. 21-13. Still in favor of Big Z's boys.
Dali na, tayo na. Nandiyan, paunahan na lang bola eh. Di ba? Nandiyan dapat sa gitna, tapos paunahan. Dito yun. Ito yun. Ito yun.
Jay Santos. Salazar, back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Espina, to Papu, to Kanyamo. Kanyamo fade away, cover no good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal with attack. Ooh, 2 points. Parang si Spider-Man. Papu, 3-pointer. Papu.
Alam mo dyan, sino yung nag-demon mo? Yung kay...
Villarreal, behind the back, spins. Villarreal. No good. Jay Santos with the ball.
Villarreal.
Jay Santos bring down the ball. Passes to Espina. Espina blocked by Bautista. Castro being defended by Espina. Castro, great handles.
Bingon!
Castro, oh! Traveling violation. 10-point lead for Big Z's boys. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos back to Papu. Papu, 1, 2, no good. Still, Bautista got the ball. Bautista to Castro. Castro to Villarreal. Villarreal to Cruz. Cruz, 2 points. Villarreal, 1 step assist.
Ito ko maririnig dito.
Foul number 66, second personal foul. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Jay Santos back to Salazar. Salazar for the tie. Bang! 3 for Salazar. Villarreal surveying the D. Push with the screen. Villarreal to Castro. Castro back to Villarreal. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero, 3-pointer. Verdadero, no good. Espina with the rebound. Espina bringing on the ball. Passes to Papu. Papu, 2 points. 10 seconds. Foul number 3, first personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Villarreal. Time remaining 7.2 seconds. First free throw is good for Villarreal. Both free throws are good for Villarreal. Still by Villarreal. Villarreal, oh, fancy layup, no good. Second chance opportunity, no good. Pablo with the rebound. End of the first quarter. Our official score 27-18. Still in favor of Big CS boys.
Kalabit ako. Layo mo. Labo mo eh.
Villarreal, dribbling. Villarreal to Verdadero. To Dawn. Corner three. No good. Salazar for the rebound. Jay Santos Corato, sorry. Jay Santos. Coast to coast, no good. Verdadero with the rebound. Verdadero to Villarreal. Villarreal. Dumps it, no good. Papa with the rebound. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos, maybe. No. Papu, yes. Good lines. 7-point lead for Big CS boys. Verdadero. To Cruz. Cruz on the paint. Cruz, no good. Papu with the rebound. Papu bring down the ball. Papu lays it good. 2 points. Still Jay Santos. Jay Santos.
Wala.
Good 2 points. Villarreal bring down the ball. Villarreal attacks. Villarreal, yes, 2 points.
Saan ka ba nakatira doon sa DOS?
Papu
Pero
to Espina.
Design.
Espina to Jay Santos to Salazar. Salazar for the drive. Yes. 2 out of 3 on the 3-point goal.
Ano nung
2-point lead for Big CS boys. Official score 29-27. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ano pa mo di ba? Pinsan.
10 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Verdadero to Cruz.
Pinaghalo.
Cruz attacking. Cruz, no good. Vidal with the rebound. 3v1 situation. Vidal, no good. Foul number 68, second personal foul. First team foul, 2 shots for Papu. First free throw is good for Papu. Both free throws are good for Papu. Official score, tie game, all 29. Time remaining is 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Villarreal to Dawn. Deep corner, no good. Cruz, great hustle, but Papu with the ball. Papu to Salazar. Salazar to Vidal. Whoa! No good. Dawn with the rebound. Dawn to Verdadero. Verdadero to Cruz. Cruz on the break. Foul number 78, first personal foul. Gone to Castro. Castro, corner three. No good. Vidal got the ball. Espina to Jay Santos. Jay Santos bringing the ball. Jay Santos attacking. No pass over. Big CS boys ball.
Beep, 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 beep.
Cruz.
Aka!
Floater, Cruz. Okay, Papu with the rebound. Papu tries to knock back Villarreal, but he got stealed. Villarreal 2 points. Lazar to Jay Santos. Jay Santos, mid-range. Jay, no good. Cruz to Villarreal. 3v2 situation. Villarreal laying again. Papu. Serenity. Papu. Bumps on the paint. Papu. 2 points. With a foul. Foul number 38. First personal foul. Bonus free throw for Papu. He has chance to make it a 3-point play. Bonus free throw no good for Papu. Over there to Don. Don dribbling. Don to Villarreal. Villarreal in the paint. Villarreal 2 points. Using his body. Vidal to Espina. Espina. Being defended by Rivero. Espina back to Papu. Papu! Steal by Villarreal. Villarreal to Castro. Easy 2 points for Castro. Cesar to Papu. Papu kick out to Espina. Espina open 3. No good. Papu with the rebound again. Papu on the paint. Papu passes to Espina. 5 seconds to shoot. Steve Castro. 3v2 situation. Castro, corner, deep corner, Castro, no good. Jay Santos is there to get the ball. Jay Santos bringing on the ball. Jay Santos lays it good, no good. Cruz get the rebound. Cruz to Villarreal. Villarreal, 1-2 to Castro, no good. Castro again for the rebound. Traveling violation. Substitution. Castro in. Castro out. Zapata in. Papu to Salazar. Salazar again. Yes. 3-pointer. Villarreal. Got fouled. Foul number 30. First personal foul. Substitution. Bautista in. Dawn out. Cruz to Benedetta to Bautista. Bautista on the paint. Bautista. Got fouled. Foul number 5. Second personal foul. 2 shots for Bautista. First free throw is good for Bautista. Both free throws are good for Bautista. Substitution. Kanyama in. Espina. 3.8 for Big CS Boys. Official score 37-34. Jay Santos to Salazar. Salazar tries back again, no good. Bautista got the rebound. Bautista to Pergolero. Pergolero to Villarreal. Villarreal. Deep pass. Jay Santos still. Jay Santos being on the ball. 3v1 situation. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu to Jay Santos. 2 points for Jay Santos. Assist for Papu. Pergolero to Villarreal. Villarreal. To Robin Zapata on the plane. Zapata. Sob Calabao. No good. Salazar get the rebound. Salazar pass to Vidal. Vidal to Salazar. Back to Vidal. Steal by Bautista. Bautista to Cruz. Cruz wants the try. Meta. No good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal to Sob Robin. Sob Robin. Zapata no good. Kanyamo get the ball. Kanyamo to Papu. 3v2 situation. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Papu again. Papu. Easy 2 points. 1.8 for Pin Asia Warriors. Their first lead of the second quarter. Villarreal. 2 points with a foul. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Pin Asia Warriors. Villarreal with a chance to make it a 3-point play. Bronze winner is good for Villarreal.
Di pa tignan mo yung sila. Papanood sila.
Hyper, hindi ka lalaro. Hyper,
Hyper B.
hindi ka lalaro. Bobo ka, no?
Vidal, 2 points. Bernadero. Lay is good for Bernadero.
Hindi ka lalaro. Galing hindi ka lalaro.
Pop with the loader is good, 2 points. Steal by Papu. Bad pass for Bernadero. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos no good. Papu with the rebound. Papu. Second chance to complete this. Good for Papu. Villarreal for the drive. Recta no good. Cruz with the rebound. Cruz on the paint. Cruz. 2 points. Steve by Bautista. Bautista on the paint. Bautista no good. Salazar get the ball. Steal again. Cruz. Yes. 2 points. Cruz. Papu long three. Bang. Bernadero to sub Robin Bawawian. Sub. 2 points. Anyamo, jumper Anyamo, no good. Bernadero to Cruz. Cruz on the paint versus Vidal. Cruz, the first leg, no good. Papu with the rebound. Papu dribbling. Papu to Anyamo. Anyamo boarding is good, 2 points. Villarreal, steal by Vidal.
Ha? Sa'yo?
Papu, long again. Hits that 3-pointer. Bang, bang.
Finals MVP. Harap!
Sige na.
Villarreal. That's foul.
Paano gamitin yung Sora?
Foul number 8, third personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Villarreal. First free throw is good for Villarreal.
Ano yung malakas?
Second free throw no good for Villarreal. Vidal with the rebound. Passes to Papu.
Sila gamitin mo.
Papu's ability. Papu to Salazar. Salazar for the drive. That kind of good. Bautista with the rebound to Cruz. Cruz to Villarreal. 2v2 situation. Villarreal. 2 points. And 1. Foul number 8. Port. Personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw again for Villarreal. Bonus free throw good for Villarreal. Pination Waters ball. 8 seconds.
Gaya mo.
5 seconds.
Daw?
Salazar, mid-range is good. Good one. End of the first half. Start of our second half.
Abono pa.
Still by Villarreal. 2v1 situation. Villarreal, 2 points. Isidro for the drive, no good. Papo pinaribang Papo, second chance of the QDs. Good for Papo.
Third. Parang walang
Bautista to Vergadero, 2 points.
bata na naman yun. Third. Load ka sa YouTube. Titignan ko lang ano. Yung live ko.
Papo
Ano.
to Isidro. To Casabar.
Uy!
Bang! 3-pointer for Casabar. From YouTube channel natin, Robin Zapata 439. Shoutout sa'yo, idol. In-game ka. No good. Ito, Kiko Patayuman watching from Saturn. Shoutout sa'yo, idol. Si Aulo ka. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Papo to as well, oh. To Isidro, to Casabar. Casabar from the logo. Oh!
Tignan mo yung punong lalaki.
Verdadero. Easy 2 points. Oh! Wag naman po.
I'm up to 8.
Papo. Serenity. Papo to as well. As well to Vidal. Vidal, mid-range J is good. 2 points. Villarreal to Boss Robin Zapata. Yes! Kalabaw lang tumatanda ang nangyari sa inyo. Papo. Velvet Castro to Casabar. 2-pointer again. Casabar, no good. Isidro with the rebound. Isidro back to Papo. Papo. Pilata. Papo kick out to Isidro. Isidro to Vidal. Vidal. No good. Casabar. No good. Ibarin by Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata to Castro. Open.
Uy!
Easy 2 points
Uy,
for
nadugin na
Castro.
likod ko.
3-point lead for Bernacia Warriors. Official score 64-61. Papo to Isidro. Isidro, bang, no good. Villarreal get the ball. Villarreal dribbling to the ball. Villarreal spins. Villarreal, Toyo mode, 2 points. Vidal to Papo. Papo, open 3-pointer. No good. Verdadero to Bautista. Bautista to Villarreal. Villarreal, 3-pointer. Villarreal. No good. Robin Zapata with a rebound. Uy. Great Asia Warriors ball. Papo, dribbling. Papo, 2 points for Papo. Verdadero. To Castro, mid-range J, no good. Bautista is never the rebound, but he got fouled. Foul number 5, reaching foul. Third personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bautista to Villarreal. Villarreal, wide open 3-pointer, yes. 3 for Villarreal. Ten seconds to shoot. Papu, floater, Papu, no good. Papu again, Papu. No good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal to Castro. Castro, easy 2 points again. Castro.
Yung ano?
Isidro, Casabar, Casabar, 3-pointer, Casabar, yes! Mr. Lot of Money, Casabar. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal to Robin Sapat at daytime. Bang bang.
Stop mo. Wala, naglalakad ulit. Hindi ako nila. Ano mo, di ba
Papu to Isidro. Isidro, trifecta. No good. Villarreal get the ball. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Daytime. No good. Papu with the rebound. Papu will attack. Papu to Casabar. Casabar wide open. Bang bang. Ball, he's down the paint, you get fouled. Substitution. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. 2 shots for Bautista. First free throw is good for Bautista. Second free throw no good for Bautista. Tie game, our official score, all 72. Papu to Casabar. Casabar from the logo. No good. Villarreal spins, Toyo mode, passes to Bautista, no good. Papu got the rebound. Papu bring down the ball. Papu to Vidal. Vidal, 2 points. Sabi ko, Paku yan. Verdadero, 2 points. Everyone. Subs. Foul number 78, second personal foul. Kanyamo, sub. Substitution, substitution. Ball is still good for Verdadero. Robin Zapata gonna rebound. Sub Robin on the paint, no good. Verdadero gonna rebound. Verdadero, 2 points again with the foul. Foul number 3, second personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw again for Verdadero. Second free throw no good for Verdadero. Isidro got a rebound. Isidro to Salazar. Salazar to Kanyamo. Kanyamo to Salazar again. Salazar no good. Bautista with the rebound. Passes to Villarreal. Villarreal bringing on the ball. Villarreal spins. Villarreal. Oh, fancy move. 2 points for Villarreal. Papu. Kanyamo. Kanyamo. Floater no good. Bautista couldn't get the rebound. Kanyamo get the rebound. Bautista get the rebound again now. Oh, we got fouled. Foul number 3, third personal foul. Warning for penalty in Asia Warriors. Villarreal. To Robin Zapata. Daytime. Bang bang. Corner. For Robin Zapata. Timeout. Asia Warriors official score 81-74 in favor of Big Zest Boys. Time remaining 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Shout out sa mga live viewers natin dyan. I love you all.
Taon pa lang.
Back to the ball game. Papu back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos being defended by Cruz. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu wants the three-pointer. Papu no good. Kanyamo is there for the rebound. Kanyamo to Isidro back to Kanyamo. Kanyamo. 2 points on the team. Steal by Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu to Salazar. Back to Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos no good. Dawn in the rebound. Dawn to Cruz to Verdadero. Verdadero. Easy lay, 2 points. Papu tries to attack. He got fouled. Foul number 66. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Aeng. First free no good for Papu. Villarreal to Cruz. Cruz fakes. Cruz. 2 points.
Noy, pag-open, tira na. Yan, o, tira mo na. Pakulan mo na.
Espina no good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Daytime bang! 3 for Robin Zapata. Kalabaw lang. Tumatanda. Papu to Isidro. Isidro. No good. Don is there for the ball. Robin Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero post. Verdadero 2 points. Isidro to Espina. Espina to Kanyamo. Kanyamo on the paint. Kanyamo. Oh, fade away. Kobe no good. Villarreal with the ball. Villarreal spins. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero to Cruz. Easy 2 points for Cruz. Papu, 3-pointer, good. 3 points for Papu. Key pass, Espina, with the ball to Salazar, 15 seconds. Foul number 68, third personal foul, third team foul. 11 seconds on the clock. Five seconds.
4, 3, ang ina ka. Kami nata. Kami nata. Dapat 89. Eh, dito kami. Dito kasi nandito. Wait lang. Wait lang. Dito wala. Sa leader. Ano mo? Hindi nga umabot. Pasok na shoot na siya. Pasok. Na-shoot pero hindi ko na-shoot. Oo, basket. Kaya ko sa akin
Tulang 2, tulang 2.
Hula ko yun, pinipili ko. Tawag pa rin hula. Namin yung tingin po.
Okay naman, laki ng lamang mo. Ano pa kayo yung basket? Wala na. Papay na kami. Patay ba yung topic kasi yung kami nakatanong yung seat?
Kung counted sa atin, 83 sila. Ha? 83. Ay, 82, 84.
Hindi, hindi nga kasi counted yung last shot.
Ano lang, 84, 89. Basket, 84, 89. Basket pa rin.
Bakit yun?
Sige, bala mo rin na tayo. 87 tayo. Wrong score yan.
Wrong space, naging 79, nashoot ng doon, 81, nagpasok ng 81,
81 na kami.
Oo, 92 yung kami.
May tres pa sila. May tres pa.
Technical.
Start of the final quarter. Villarreal, Cruz for the right back and a good. Vidal with the rebound. Vidal to Espina. Espina bring the ball, passes to Kanyamo no good. Oh. Same ball. 16 seconds of the shot clock. Jay Santos, mid-range Jay, no good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero, 2 points. Jay Santos to Salazar. Salazar, bang. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata, 2 points. Jay Santos survey the lead. Jay Santos dribbling. Still by Villarreal. Villarreal bring the ball. Villarreal running. Villarreal tip pass. Villarreal get the ball. Foul number 2. Second personal foul.
Tingnan mo, mamaya pa yun. Nakapagpanya ka pa. Wala, lumabas ka na.
Jay Santos floater. Jay Santos is good 2 points. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero running. Verdadero to Robin Zapata. Robin Zapata surveying the D. Robin Zapata. Hobie. 2 points. Sob! Grabe ka, Sob. Kanyamo to Jay Santos. To Espina. Espina tries the trifecta. No good. Villarreal with the rebound. Villarreal to stop Robin. Stop Robin. Uy, 2 points. Vidal to Kanyamo. Kanyamo to Salazar. Salazar wide open. Yes. 3 for Salazar. Verdadero get the ball. Verdadero being defended by Espina. Verdadero bombs. Verdadero on the plane. 2 points. Vidal to Jay Santos. Jay Santos spins. Jay Santos to Espina. Espina back shot is good. 2 points. Verdadero. Verdadero. Save ball.
Yan ang bata.
16 seconds on the shot clock.
Bigyan ko yan ng bata. Dito rin. Pero may ka.
Villarreal, 3, no good. Jay Santos got the ball. Jay Santos bring down the ball. Jay Santos to Salazar. Salazar fakes. Salazar, no good. Villarreal to Castro. Castro dribbling. Castro Lay, no good. Robin Zapata is there to get the ball. Robin Zapata on the paint. Robin Zapata, lay, let him move. It's good. Need a foul. Foul number 5. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Robin Zapata.
Kaya siya ganun ng gano'n. Huwag niyo titipid.
Bonus free throw is good for Robin Zapata.
Pinapakita niyo yung buhok.
Jay Santos to Espina. Espina to Salazar. Salazar, mid-range J is good.
May naipit pang kanan.
Basta ba?
Hindi niyo tanggal. Ha? Hindi niyo
Verdadero.
tanggal.
14 seconds to shoot to Castro. 10 seconds to shoot to Castro back to Verdadero. Verdadero to Villarreal. Villarreal, uh-oh. Couldn't get the ball. Finish Warriors ball. Jay Santos, three defender by Castro. Jay Santos attacks. Jay Santos, no good. Cruz with the rebound. Cruz to Castro. Castro, easy 2 points again. Castro. Papu. With Jay Santos. Corner three. No good. Papu is there to get the rebound. Papu to Asuelo. Asuelo to Papu.
Pagkuhin gabi ah.
Papu. Asuelo. Asuelo, bank shot. No good. Asuelo again get the ball. Asuelo again, no good. Villarreal get the ball. Villarreal to Castro. Castro. Lays good 2 points. Papu to Asuelo. Asuelo to Cañamo. Cañamo, no good. Villarreal get the ball. Villarreal, 3-pointer, Villarreal, no good. Robin Zapata is there to get the rebound. Robin Zapata on the paint. Robin Zapata back to Villarreal. Villarreal to Robin Zapata. Daytime. No good. A Santos 2v1 situation. Jay Santos lays the 3 points. Castro to Verdadero. Verdadero. Yes.
Hintay mo lang.
3-pointer for Bill Galera. Papu wants to answers back. Okay.
Ayun na, malapit na. Tapos na naman.
Verdadero. Oh, good. Cañamo. Lay no good. Villarreal got the ball. Substitution, 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 substitution. Foul number 78, third personal foul. Timeout, Big Z.
Kasi dito may time out. Ah! Uy! Nasa mo. Mami.
Sabi na eh. Sabi na.
Back to the ball game. 2 shots for Villarreal.
Tagal naman yun.
First free throw no good for Villarreal.
Kain lang ako pag-test na ito. Ano ba yun? Hindi naman na kami uwi dyan eh. Saan mo tayo uwi? Hindi kayo manonood finals. Yung finals ka. Second game.
Second free throw is good for Villarreal.
Second game. Dito.
Third free throw is good for Villarreal. Papu. To Cañamo. Cañamo 2 points. Casabar with the steal. Casabar to Papu. Papu. 3-pointer Papu. No good. Villarreal with the rebound, passes to Don. Don, mid-range, Jay, yes, 2 points. Sabar to Papu. Papu fakes. Papu, 3-pointer. Papu, no good. Kanyamo is there for the rebound. Kanyamo jumper, yes, 2 points. Bautista attacking on the paint. Bautista, 2 points. With a foul. Foul number 8. Graduate number 8. Bonus shots for Bautista. Bonus triple is good for Bautista. Kickball. Kickball. Gone, no good. Pablo with the rebound. Papo to Bigay, Kasabar, Big Boss Oma to Bigay. Yes, 2 points for Bigay. Astro, no good. Foul for the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Papu. 3-pointer, Papu. Bang, bang. For our next game, Tres Marias versus Ball Clothing Championship game. Cruz 3. SDA. Pass the corner 3. Yes. End of the first game.